If your air conditioner is not starting, one place to look is the AC capacitor. Whenever working with electrical, shut the breaker. And also, on this outside panel, you can unplug this, and that acts as another safety. We remove these two bolts down here. Then we should be able to pull down and remove this side panel. Okay. There's a capacitor 70 plus 7.5. So taking a closer look, Herm has the orange, fan has the brown, and then the third one has this pink wire and the red wire. So for this type, I'm using a capacitor discharge pen. It does have a light at the very end, which turns on if there's charge in there, which right now it doesn't. You can also take a screwdriver with a rubber handle, insulated of course, and you can touch the terminals to each other to be able to discharge. Okay, now we're just going to remove the wires. Yeah, pretty much just using the pliers to pull each wire off the capacitor. So I'm testing this capacitor. I have it in the ohm setting. You can see these values are not going to zero. Okay, so I ended up buying this 70 plus 7.5 capacitor here on the left. Okay, and quick test on a new capacitor. So if I put the terminals, yep, goes to zero. Goes to zero. Okay, so for that new capacitor, you know, Herm, fan, and then the other one have the corresponding wires. There's that new capacitor, so now we're just going to bolt it back into place and test it. It's surprised I didn't use this earlier, but this is an 8mm. There you go, don't over tighten. All the wires are plugged in. Next we're going to put this cover back. There we go. And over here we have number 2. Next, we'll put this back into place. Flip the breaker back on for the AC. And that should get it running, but if not, take a look at other parts like the contactor or even the transformer. Hope this video helps you out.